Today you can see we fixing saria for the lantern. You can see material concrete is ready now. It is 8 by 6 box size. Now you can see this is beam, this is beam, this is beam, and this is only one side, and this one we are filling pillar now, which one give lot of foundations, lot of support to building. This one is chunai work, and our masons working now. This is front view of our project. You can see design here. This is front view.